More than 100,000 of us are now working from home, and that takes some adjusting. I recently saw a video on Twitter with the ultimate work from home life hack. And then I saw Will Johnson from our legal team had a life hack of his own. It's okay to switch up the room or chair you're sitting in. Leave the chair. What a concept. I wondered what other work from home life hacks are out there that can help us, so I asked V-Teamers to submit theirs. The reality is, you don't need to sit in a chair at all. Meghan Logan of the finance team tricked out her treadmill and is logging miles as she works. Haar from the marketing team sets a calendar reminder to get the family outside. Cute baby. Pamela Terlizzi, a coach on the health and wellness team, tries to watch Up to Speed Live while walking or stretching. And connector queen Katrina Fuhrman of Verizon Business Group is deliberate about practicing mindfulness.
Stay in the present moment and remember that the only thing you can control are your thoughts and your actions.
For some, the challenge is getting away from the kids, dog, parrot, rooster. Maybe take a call in the parked car. Or wear your baby and speak in low monotone and walk in circles like Jeb Charles from Network does.
It's just me and the dog here. And while I think Spanky is a great conversationalist, I'm kind of craving human contact.
Erin Kristoff from Comms shared that at least part of her day she works alongside a friend virtually. They each do their own work and rarely speak to each other, but having a live look at your friend as the work gets done helps. And finally, when not being at a Verizon location is just too hard, we turn to Jake Brediger of VBG, who brought the Verizon office vibe into his home with a DIY Verizon checkmark. I hope these tips helped. If you have your own work from home life hacks, share them with us. Send it to good@verizon.com. Until next time, you're up to speed.